How to redeem a Kobo gift card. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to redeem your Kobo gift card. If you have a physical gift card or a virtual gift card but don't know how to redeem it, just go ahead and tap on the search bar on your web browser and simply search for Kobo gift card redeem. Hit enter and you'll find the very first link, kobo.com/redeem. You can just click on this link and you'll be taken directly to the site where you have an option to enter your gift card PIN. So if you don't know where you can find your PIN, click on here and it will tell you the PIN is on the back of your card. So if you have a physical card, you'll find the PIN right at the back. Just enter the PIN right here. And if the PIN is valid and your code is correct, you click on submit, then you should be able to redeem your Kobo gift card. Now, if you haven't already logged in, you first need to make sure that you are logged into your Kobo account. And that's pretty much it. Once you log in and enter the valid code, the gift card will be redeemed automatically and the reward will be sent to your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If so, hit the like button down below and subscribe to our channel. Press the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our videos, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.